friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Netgear Nighthawk RAXE500 tri-band Wi-Fi 6C router. So friend, the cutting edge router operates within the 6 GHz band, offering a remarkable speed of up to 4804 Mbps along with the 5 GHz band at the same speed and 2.4 GHz band at the 1147 Mbps. And friend, the Netgear introduced the state-of-the-art Nighthawk RAXE500, a Wi-Fi 6 router pushing the limit of high-speed data communication, and this tri-band router is designed to cater to the high-capacity data requirements of online gaming, 4K and 8K video streaming, and the emerging technologies of VR and Metaverse applications. And with an innovative design featuring 8 wing-shaped antennas, it maximizes coverage spanning an impressive area of up to 325 square meters, and the antennas are seamlessly integrated into the routers, guaranteeing optimal performance without user interface. And friend, the router boasts 1.8 GHz quad-core CPU and a comprehensive interface. This included 2.5 Gigabit WAN and LAN port, a Gigabit WAN port, 4 Gigabit LAN ports, and 2 USB 3.0 ports, and it is capable of supporting up to 60 devices. Stimulously has a lightweight design, weighing just 1.45 kg. And friend, its sale will be starting from 18th April, and it is available for purchase at an accepted market price of $569. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.